Hi, today I'm going to show you how to take this 3D data set and turn it into a 2D mock time lapse so you can perform 2D analysis on the individual Z slices. So as you can see here, I have a 3D data set, and Imaris will treat this file as a 3D data set, no matter what I do to it. But there is a process underneath image processing that you can do to turn this 3D data set into a mock time series where each time point is an individual Z slice. So I select image processing and then swap time and Z, select OK, and now each of the individual time points is going to be one of the Z slices from the original capture. Once this simple process has been completed, I just need to save my data set. I can save over the original file, or even better, I can just call it 2D or a different file name. So my original 3D data set has been left alone and maintained. So right now I do have a 2D data set, as you can see here. However, Imaris is still in 3D mode. And if I want to be able to capitalize on the 2D statistics that are available in Imaris 10.1, I need to actually reopen this new mock time-lapse that I've just created in Imaris. So right now we're still in 3D mode. So I've saved my file. I'll just select going back into Arena, and now I need to reopen that 2D data set. And you can see here, this is that file that I just created. It's now a 2D data set, and it's that mock time-lapse indicated by these two vertical white lines. So if I was to double click on this thumbnail, it would open up in 2D mode. If I do want to open it up in 3D mode in the future for whatever reason, I will right click on the thumbnail and select open as 3D image only. But for now, I want to open it up as a 2D mock time lapse. And so that's what I've done here. And you can see with the presence of the ortho slicer and the fact that I can't change my 3D view, my Z view, or anything like that, Imaris is in this 2D capture mode or analysis mode. So now I can process this file as I normally would. But one big thing to note is that this is now a time lapse, and so when I'm creating objects, whether they're spots, surfaces, cells, or filament, I do not want to track these different objects over time. So if I was to add a new surface, I would uncheck this box for track surfaces over time, because I want Imaris to keep each of these different time points separate and distinct. I don't want to actually track the objects over time. That could make my statistics pretty confusing in the end. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thanks.